Hope that you have watched the first part of this video where I discussed about what is unicorn और कौन-कौन से unicorn 2021 के unicorn club में शामिल हुए हैं. So hi everyone, you are watching IP Jagruti and I am Dr. Shweta, and today we will take our last video forward and discuss remaining unicorn startups which has entered the unicorn club in 2021. लास्ट वीडियो तक हमने 16 स्टार्टअप्स के बारे में बात किया था और इस वीडियो में हम 17th स्टार्टअप भारत पे से स्टार्ट करेंगे. So 17th in the list is भारत पे. भारत पे became the 5th fintech startup to enter the unicorn club this year. It bagged $370 million in Series E equity round led by Tiger Global at a valuation of $2.85 billion. अश्नीर ग्रोवर एंड शाश्वत नाकरन ने 2018 में भारत पे लॉन्च किया था और भारत पे ने लॉन्च किया इंडियाज फर्स्ट यूपीआई इंटरऑपरेबल क्यूआर कोड फॉर मर्चेंट्स. The 18th startup in my list is Upgrade, one of the best edutech startup which was started by Ronnie Screwvala, Mayank Kumar, Falgun Kompally and Ravi Jyot Chung. It offers higher education courses in collaboration with various universities and it also claims to have over 2 million registered learners. अपग्रेड एक ऐसा स्टार्टअप था जिसको सबको पता था कि इसको तो यूनिकॉर्न स्टार्टअप लिस्ट में आना ही है, जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ देयर टेक्निकल प्लेटफॉर्म एंड डिमांड ऑफ द मार्केट. 19th startup in my list which entered in 2021 unicorn club is Jetwork. Jetwork was founded by Amrit Acharya, Srinath Ramakrishnan and Vishal Chaudhary in 2018. ये manufacturing service based platform है that connects manufacturing companies with vendors and suppliers for customized product, industrial machine component and other equipments. Now, the 20th Indian startup which entered into unicorn this year is again was predictable actually that it will enter, and now this startup is known as Blinkit. Can you guess this? Yes, we are talking about Grofers. Grofers was founded by Saurabh Kumar in 2013 and it's an Indian online grocery delivery services. This Indian startup has also entered Unicorn Club in 2021. The 21st startup in my list which has entered the Unicorn Club this year is Mindtickle. Founded in 2011 by Krishna Dapura and Group. ये एक SaaS platform है that focuses on improving the sales function in businesses by understanding ideal sales behavior, increasing sellers' knowledge and skill sets, and incorporating the real-world feedback from their meetings with the customers. The 22nd startup in my list is Vedantu, founded in 2014 by Krishna Anand Prakash and Pulkit Jain. ये एक interactive online tutoring platform है और currently ये claim करता है to have over 35 million plus I should say students attending live classes every month. Vedantu Unicorn Club में शामिल हुआ after raising $100 million and it's the 5th Indian EdTech unicorn. 23rd startup in my list is Apna. Apna एक job marketplace है for Indians blue collar worker. Founded by Nimrit Parekh in 2019, it entered the Unicorn Club after raising $100 million in Series C. 24th नंबर पे जो स्टार्टअप है मेरी लिस्ट में वो है MPL. MPL सेकेंड इंडियन स्टार्टअप है गेमिंग सेगमेंट का जो एंटर हुआ यूनिकॉर्न क्लब 2021 में. MPL ऑफर करता है वेरियस गेमिंग ऑप्शन सच एज स्किल बेस्ड गेम्स लाइक डेली फैंटेसी, स्पोर्ट्स एंड चेस टू कैजुअल गेम्स. MPL was founded in 2018 by Sai Srinivas Krishnan Ji and Shubh Malhotra. 25th startup in my list is a very unique startup, CoinSwitch Kuber. CoinSwitch Kuber became the second Indian crypto startup to enter the Unicorn Club. CoinSwitch Kuber was founded in 2017 by Singhal, Govind Soni and Vimal Sagar Tiwari. Now, the 26th startup in my list is Rebel Foods. फूड के स्टार्टअप को तो यूनिकॉर्न क्लब ज्वाइन करना ही करना था. Rebel Foods operate multiple quick service food brands independently, founded in 2011 by Jaydeep Burman and Kalol Banerjee. Next startup on 27th on my list is today Licious, one of the most loved brand today in the market. It is one of the meat startup which entered the Unicorn Club this year. The meat D2C startup raised $52 million in its Series G round, founded in 2015 by Abhay Hanjura and Vivek Gupta. नाउ जिस नेक्स्ट स्टार्टअप के बारे में बताने जा रही हूँ बहुत टाइम से मार्केट में है, 2009 में फाउंड हुआ बाय बिपिन प्रीत सिंह एंड हिज वाइफ उपासना टाकू. ये एक फिनटेक कंपनी है. यस, यू गेस्ड इट राइट, इट्स मोबीक्विक. दिस कंपनी टर्न्ड यूनिकॉर्न इन October 2021 only. Now, the next startup that is on 29th number, the second last on my list is Car-Dekho. Car-Dekho has turned into unicorn following its recent Series E and debt financing round. Car-Dekho ने recently जो fund raise किया जिसकी वजह से unicorn club में शामिल हुए, that is around $250 million. Car-Dekho was founded in 2007 by Amit and Anurag Jain. Now, the 30th and the last startup in my list today, which entered as an Indian startup in Unicorn Club 2021 is Echo. Echo एक डिजिटल इंश्योरेंस प्रोवाइडर है इंडिया का, और ये पहला इंश्योरेंस स्टार्टअप है जो इफिशिएंट कार, बाइक, हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस को प्रोसेस करती है विदाउट एनी पेपर वर्क. Echo was founded in 2016 by Varun Dua and Ruchi Deepak. So we discussed about 30 unicorn startups from India which entered Unicorn Club 2021, and there is long way to go because everyone in India, because the mindset had changed in India. Apart from job seekers, we are becoming job providers, and that's the best experience I have ever felt in last 4 years. क्योंकि अब हम job लेने से ज़्यादा देने की कोशिश करते हैं, and that's what India requires for developing its economical condition. So all the very best to all the new startups, because we hope to see more new startups entering 100 million club this year. That means unicorn startups in 2022. All the best, and thanks for watching IP Jagruti. Those who have not subscribed, do not forget to subscribe our channel, and if you like the video, kindly share it among your friends. Thank you so much.